Chinky, 40s na ako. Too late na ba ako para mag-invest? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. In fact, this might be the just perfect time for you to start. It's not about when you started. But the truth is, mas maganda na nag-umpisa ka kesa hindi ka nag-umpisa at all. So, let me bust some myth about yun nga, starting late. Hindi porket 40 ka na, wala ka ng habol. Kahit na maliit ang puhunan, basta ang importante is consistency and long term. So, right now, sa 40 ka na, na-realize mo that you have to start. Mas mahalaga na meron ka kesa wala. Mas mahal na consistent ka. Before ka mag-invest, kailangan maunawaan mo muna yung finances mo. First, ano bang income mo? Kaya ba? Magkano nagagastos mo monthly? May naiipon ka ba monthly? In other words, set realistic goals in terms of pang-retirement ba yan? Pang-travel ba yan? Pang-negosyo ba yan? Hindi lang yung parang meron kang tinatawag na savings fund. Pag savings fund, ang dami po niyan. Common yan. Common fund po siya.
Watch the full video at Chinky Tan's YouTube channel. Subscribe now.